close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Hi guys! Alam niyo ba ang bagong location ng Lolo's Kitchen dito sa Juper? Papakita ko sa inyo ang bagong location ng Lolo's Kitchen. Mas pinalaki at mas pinaganda. Dito yan sa tapat ng Sabar Ayub. Pasok lang kayo dyan sa loob at makikita nyo ang malaking Lolo's Kitchen. Kitang kita kasi kulay dilaw yung logo ng Lolo's Kitchen. American Alley po yan. Yo, what's up mga siklista, mga kabayan. Ngayon at nandito kami ngayon sa Lolo's Kitchen, grand opening ng Lolo's Kitchen. At nilipat na yung location nila. Dito pa rin sa Juper pero dito na siya. So malaking place na to, malaking store. May parking pa. Yan. So yung pasok lang kayo. Tuturo ko sa inyo kung saan mismo yung location. So yun, tara. Ito ang grand opening ng Lolo's Kitchen. Let's go. Yun, pasok tayo. Hindi talaga magpapahuli si Mark. Ayun, Mark. Saan? Hello. Ayun. Nandito tayo sa loob ng ng Lolo's Kitchen. Aba, meron din pala itong taas. So yun na ikot-ikot muna tayo dito. Kaya tayo. Uy! At dahil di na namin naabutan ang ribbon cutting, umakyat na lang kami sa taas at naabutan namin si Ambassador na nagsasalita.
Because of the leadership of Excellency, the Ambassador, and the team was working in the embassy. I love Filipino food. I'm not going to join you for the dinner, but I want you all to celebrate and eat on my behalf.
Thank you so much.
You can start.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Thank you.
Mari, I'll send you a photo. That's what
Gagamot na buka. Okay, dito po. This one. Okay, thank you.
At ito na nga at nag-start na kumain ng ating mahal na Ambassador. Enjoy po!
Try this one first. Yeah, I'll taste a bit later. A little.
Welcome to my vlog from Saudi Arabia. Shout out Saudi Arabia. From Jeddah.
Yan si Chef. Maraming salamat kay Sir Rene ng Lolo's Kitchen sa pag-invite sa atin.
You can see a casual formal. This is the dining and karaoke room. Downstairs is a regular dining, but I have upstairs. I'm going to make that as a KTV room. And here on the other side is a deck. During winter, we're going to make that shabu-shabu.
So a lot of new things are coming up, right?
Yeah, so there will be a lot of activities here. Yeah.
Yo, what's up mga sapita mga bayan? So ngayon nandito tayo sa Lolo's Kitchen at syempre congratulations to Sir Rene. Sir, congratulations. At may bago na naman location dito sa may Juper. So Sir Rene, anong pakiramdam sa bago nating location?
Well, excited dahil maganda ang nilabasan ng grand opening natin and at the same time anxious for the coming days, you know, and see how well the public accepts the restaurant itself.
At alam nyo ba, meron ditong malaking lugar kung pwede kayong mag-birthday celebrate. Merong ilang set function yung nandito? Ilang function?
Four function.
4 function. So mas pinalaki at mas pinaganda yung lugar. So yun, pasyal kayo dito.
Hold me close till I get out.
Ngayon naman, itutur namin kayo sa taas kung saan pwede nyong ganapin ang inyong mga celebration, birthday, or kahit ano pang okasyon. At syempre, meron din doon lagay na shabu-shabu sa rooftop.
Sabi ni Press, kung kayo ay nag-night out, napagod kayo, dito na kayo matulog.
Ganda lang dito matulog. Kutsyon na lang.
So ito,
Yan,
wow, maganda dito.
Sumuhin kayo.
Itong gagawin shabu-shabu.
Yeah, para walang
Meron ng ihawan dito.
para hindi
Wow.
This is nice. Yan ako, mga senior citizen dito, hindi na makaakyat. Diyos ko.
May option, may baba. Ganda.
Kawawang senior citizen.
Parang garden.
Tapos ito ang laki ng area. Plant na malaki. Oo. Ha?
pala kung hindi pa rin natapos kasi.
Okay lang. Lagyan mo ng
Saka mainit pa naman yung
ilang
iba.
steps. Ano yung private? Oh, private.
Pag pwede pa. Nakuha mo yung pagka.
Abangan nyo sa winter. May shabu-shabu. Diba? So ayun, maraming salamat ulit, Sir Liner.
Thank you,
Congrats.
thank
More blessing.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Muhammad also. Thank you.
Yo, Muhammad.
And
Santu.
Santo and Santo.
Santo.
Thank you, sir.
Muhammad's there.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Congratulations for your new place.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yo, Santo and Santo. So yun, thank you so much. See you next time. Hanggang sa muli. God bless.
God bless.
Till my shadow turns to sun